Alrighty, so I just picked up our hire car to go to Whistler. It's basically a Holden if you look at it. I had a look at the battery voltage on the dash and it says 12.6, which is obviously not charging. And we're just bringing it back now to take it there. Can you turn right on this red light? So there we go, you can turn right now.
This is the new hire car. Gordon's just about to fly the drone.
What are you doing? Bit cold there, mate.
Yeah.
Alright, so we just parked up somewhere. Gonna go try find this trail to the... Watch out for what?
Logs.
That's alright. So yeah, just trying to find this trail to the... what's it called again?
Train wreck?
Train wreck.
Shipwreck?
Not the shipwreck, the train wreck. Oh, look, there it is. I told you the trail was this way. Is there a high chance of bear here? I don't know.
I just wanna hold you. I just wanna look into your eyes and tell you that I want you. You know you make me feel so alive. Can't stop thinking about you day and night. Love it when you kiss me, love it when we touch. Every time I'm down here, you make me smile. You're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are.
A train?
Hey?
Is that a train?
I don't know.
I don't want to be squashed.
I could be wrong though.
It's not like rusty.
Yeah, it doesn't look rusty, does it? It looks like it's freshly been trained on.
How do I get down?
If that makes sense. Good. I can't really step down from there. Snow-capped mountains in the distance.
You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are the solution. You are the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are.
Yeah, so we just stopped at this waterfall on the way to Whistler. It's on the side of the road that we saw. Pretty cool. And we saw a slug as well. Actually, it's just coming up over here. Well, that's why I stopped. I saw the slug from the side of the road. What's up? Warp speed.
God, he's funny. Did you see his face? Okay, don't leave.
Hello.
But those are his eyes, Momoy.
Well, I guess I've been holding his eyes when I was young.
I don't know, maybe it's like a blowhole like a whale has. Paparazzi on the slug. Alright, see ya. Fist bump.